Welcome to another unboxing video of the Volkswagen Transporter T5.1. This is the LED smoked tinted rear light set for the years 2010 to 2015. Let's take a closer look. These are fully road legal, E-marked and MOT compliant. These are fully LED apart from the reverse light which uses the original bulb. They are designed to fit the original bulb holder into the rear of the lens, and they are not suitable into a vehicle with Sportline rear lights. This is because their bulb holders are different and these lights won't accept it. As you can see, they are supplied with resistors. So we turn this around. The red wire obviously goes with the red wire, the black wire goes with the black wire. This is to eliminate any bulb errors on the dash. As you can see, we've got some tape on the back. These should ideally be stuck to a metal surface as they do get quite warm. So here we have the 4 bulb adapters for the indicator bulbs. Obviously we have 2 different types. We have the straight across and the offset ones. When you get these, you choose which ones best suit your vehicle and discard the rest. These plug in over here with the yellow matching the yellow and the black matching the black. Let's have a closer look and then we'll get these illuminated.